guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a fun Dollar Tree DIY project for us, and we're going to be making some wall decor. So we're going to be making a glam wall mirror. And so what you'll need is, you're going to need one of these frames from Dollar Tree. And the only reason you'll need this is because we're going to be popping out this back part of the frame. We're going to be using this as the base for the mirror so we can hang it on the wall. So we're going to need this little clip part here. So you'll need one of these frames. You'll of course need some gemstones. You're going to need 5 of these mirrors that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. I've got some glitter here, 2 different kinds, silver and iridescent. And then I've got some silver paint, some Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and then also I have some hot glue. So these are the items that we'll need to get the project completed. So let's get started. Now that I have popped out the back of this, and I'm going to be using it as the base for the mirror, you can see that the little hanging piece is here. So I'm going to be using this as the top. So I'm going to flip that back over, and then I'm going to start laying out my mirrors just like that. You just kind of want to put together a pattern on here, and then you're going to use your pencil or a pen to trace around it. And now that I've marked out my pattern here, this is going to let me know where I can add the Mod Podge mixed with a little bit of paint, and then I'm going to be sprinkling glitter on top of this. Now that my glitter has been dried and has been sealed, I'm going to go ahead and add some diamond wrap on top of it, just to give it a little bit more of a finished look. Okay, now that I've got the diamond wrap on top of the glittered areas, and we've got some nice clean edges to work with here, it's time to go ahead and get started putting the mirrors in place. Now you can add E6000 to this for more of a permanent bond if you'd like to do that. But for the purposes of this video, I'm using hot glue. Now, how easy was this, you guys? And look at that, isn't that beautiful? I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up, get the finger marks off of it, and then we'll go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.